This is part 3 of Lecture 8 on the endocrine system. This information can be found in Chapter 16 on pages 601 to 636 of your textbook. The thyroid gland. The thyroid gland is a butterfly-shaped gland in the anterior neck on the trachea, just inferior to the larynx, and it produces thyroglobulin, colloid, and calcitonin. These are the body's major metabolic hormones. The hormones are found in two forms, T4 and T3. T4, thyroxine, is a major form that consists of two tyrosine molecules with 4 bound iodine atoms. T3, or triiodothyronine, is a form that has 2 tyrosines with 3 bound iodine atoms, but it must be converted to T4 at the tissue level. Both are iodine-containing amine hormones, and thyroid hormones affect virtually every cell in the body. Transport and regulation. T4 and T3 are transported by thyroxine-binding globulins, or TBGs. Both bind to the target receptors, but T3 is 10 times more active than T4, and peripheral tissues have the enzyme needed to convert T4 to T3. Students should review this table, Table 16.4, from their textbook, and be able to answer questions regarding the effects of the 2 thyroid hormones, T4 and T3, on different parts of the body. The parathyroid gland are 4 to 8 tiny yellow-brown glands embedded in the posterior aspect of the thyroid. They secrete parathyroid hormone, or PTH. PTH is the most important hormone in calcium homeostasis. And this is the end of Part 3 of Lecture 8 on the endocrine system.